Welcome students, 11th standard chemistry unit 14 haloalkanes and haloarenes பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். So in these sections we learn about uses of Grignard reagents in the part 3 video. So first in this preparation of ester, and next one is a preparation of higher ethers and preparation of alkyl cyanide and a preparation of alkane. Okay, generally you know that first a functional group of ester. Okay, this is our C2H5 O C double bond OH. This is our ethyl formate. This ethyl formate is replaced by chlorine. What's the name of the compound? Ethyl chloroformate. Ethyl chloroformate. So that ethyl chloroformate is produced at our ester compound. How it is formed ester compounds? This chlorine is replaced by one methyl group. So it is called a ester. It is called a ester. So it is name of the compound is that ethyl chloroformate. Ethyl chloroformate. So the ethyl chloroformate is produced on ester, ethyl methyl ester by using a Grignard reagents. This is the first in seventh reactions. Okay, seventh reaction use pandra reactant. And second one, higher number of ethers. Higher number of ethers. General formula you know all are very well. ROR is a ether. So I could write here that is a dimethyl ethers. The dimethyl ether is one hydrogen is replaced by one halogen atom. One halogen atom that is called that is name of the compound is called chlorodimethyl ether. Chlorodimethyl ether. These two reactants are using for reaction in the preparation of ester and higher member ether. So this reaction is having first we taking in the reaction is, so this reaction is a ester. So C2H5O C double bond O here I am taking. So this hydrogen will be replaced by chlorine. The name of the compound is ethyl chloroformate. All of you know that why I am taking formate means this having hydrogen, that is name is called a formic acid. So there is a name is called a formate I am taking. So this compound is react with methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide. So having no place there. So okay, this methyl magnesium chloride. This methyl magnesium chloride is having negative sign. This negative carbanion is attached to carbonyl carbon. This double bond is shifted here. So it will form a positive. This negative sign is attached to positive. So this forming C2H5O and COMgBr here CH3. Here CH3. So this name of the compound is I am using the hydrolysis of the reactions. I am using hydrolysis of the reactions. So H plus in the presence of acid medium, water you can add it. Water how can you separate? H plus OH minus ion. So you can separate them, two of them. So what you having? C2H5O C double bond O and remaining CH3. So maximum magnesium is also compound. Halogen compounds, hydroxy halogen compound. Here bromine or halogen. Bromine or halogen. Which halogen you are taking, that halogen will be added here. So look at here. This is one functional group. This is another one functional group. One carbonyl group attached to alkyl group. It is called a ester. So this is a ester. The name of the compound is called a ethyl acetate. Sorry, methyl acetate. Sorry, ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate. So next you can see the preparation of higher number of ether. Generally ether formula is CH3O CH3. This react with the hydrogen chloride, something happen. So this two will be, one hydrogen will be reduced. So it form a chlorine. The name is called a chlorodimethyl ether. Chlorodimethyl ether. Why I am taking ether? This name is general formula is ROR. So it is reaction with the Grignard reagent CH3 Mg Br. So this magnesium will be plus. sorry, this is minus, this is plus. So this, how can you replace? This methyl group is such. இது நீங்க இப்படி நெகட்டிவ் இது பாசிட்டிவ் பிரிங்க, சாரி இது பாசிட்டிவ் இது நெகட்டிவ் பிரிங்க. இந்த நெகட்டிவ் part attack to magnesium group, so this negative part attack to this carbonyl carbon. So now you form a product is here. Its last reactions having all the reactions having a carbonyl carbon, but this mechanism is different from above reactions because it's having no carbonyl carbon, it's only oxygen atom. So this bonding will be broken, so we can form a CH3O CH2 CH3. So remaining magnesium halogen compound will be liberated. Magnesium halogen compound will be liberated. So this number of ether is higher number of ether because one side is a one methyl group, another side is a ethyl group. So number of carbons will be increased. So you can prepare a higher number of ethers. So the name of the compound is here ethyl, here methyl group. In alphabetic order you can use a ethyl, ethyl, methyl ether, ethyl methyl ether. This is a common name, but IUPAC name you can change. The name is methoxyethane. Methoxyethane, no need here, you can learn about from 12th standard. Okay, now let us see that preparation of alkyl cyanide. Preparation of alkyl cyanide. So I am taking that Grignard reagent. What's our Grignard reagent? CH3 MgBr. So this Grignard reagent react with the CnCl, cyanogen chloride. The name of the compound is called a cyanogen chloride. So the cyanogen chloride react with the methyl magnesium bromide. It's a simplest substitution reactions. So this bromine is replaced. The bromine is attacked to Cn. What you will? Cyanogen chloride. So you have form a alkyl cyanide. So both the reactions, this magnesium number react panikkum. So what happening? CH3Cl plus MgCN and Cl. This name of the compound is a ethyl or otherwise generally methyl chloride. Methyl chloride. Very important. This mechanism is different from above reactions. But the preparation of alkenes, generally simply I am taking here CH3MgBr. This is our Grignard region. This Grignard region react with the water. How can you water split it? H plus OH minus. So this hydrogen is plus minus. You already know this is a plus, this is a minus. So this magnesium group is attacked to OH. This positive sign attacked to CH3. So now this CH3 is changed to CH4. It is changed to CH4. Remaining will be a magnesium OH Br. This is our name is methane. This name is called a methane. You can taking one more reactions here. Same reactions எடுத்துக்கோங்க. CH3MgBr. It react with alcohol C2H5OH. The alcohol is separated by, this is minus, this is a plus. So you can plus will be added with the methyl carbanion. This is a positive. So how can you form? CH4 plus MgBrOC2H5. This is also called a methane. This is also called a methane. This is a very important reactions. This reaction is only carried by methyl magnesium bromide. All the Grignard reagent is prepared by. It's a very important uses. So many process reactions is have substitution. It is this reaction depends upon that nucleophile. So what is in my nucleophile lesson topics ella cover பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் இப்ப நான் questions கேக்குறேன். So nucleophile means it is having a negative part. So this you taking some water. Water la OH group is only replaced by magnesium. That is our nucleophile. So what's in this video we can see that preparation of ester and the preparation of higher ether. Preparation of ester is prepared from ethyl chloroformate. Ethyl chloroformate. So it is in the form of ROR. RCOOR. it is a ester form. So you taking the ethyl acetate will be formed here. So next higher number of ethers you can prepared by substituted ether, halogen substituted ether. So I am taking the chlorodimethyl ether, chlorodimethyl ether. So the dimethyl ether is react with the Grignard reagent. You can form a higher number of ethers. That is a one more preparation. And next one is the alkyl cyanide. Alkyl cyanide is very important. Grignard reagent is reacts with cyanogen chloride. The cyanogen chloride is having a nucleophile. This is our negative sign. So it's attached with the magnesium. So you form a methyl chloride, alkyl chloride. Preparation of alkene is very easy. This reaction depends upon the temperature. Heating temperature we can form a alkene. Thank you for watching this video, students.